Imagine you really need to poop. Like, you've got seconds left. So you run into the nearest toilet, drop your clothes, and sit down. Finally, relief. Until you smell something horrible. You slowly turn your head, and sitting right next to you is a random guy, smiling at you, with the weirdest, creepiest smile you've ever seen. He doesn't say anything. He just keeps smiling. Congratulations. You're in ancient Rome, because Roman public toilets were basically giant stone benches, where strangers sat next to each other, with absolutely no privacy, no walls, no doors, no awkward little toilet stall. Just you, your neighbor, and your regrets. And somehow, people actually had conversations there. Imagine trying to poop peacefully, while the guy next to you says, "So, what do you think about the emperor?" Bro, I am currently fighting for my life. But the lack of privacy wasn't even the weirdest part. Under the toilet seats, there was a channel carrying water. That helped wash the waste away. Sounds pretty advanced. But think the water carrying the poop of the first person and touching your balls gross. And things did not always go according to plan. Sometimes the toilets could become dirty, crowded, and seriously unpleasant. And then there's the biggest problem. No toilet paper. Romans used different cleaning methods, including a sponge attached to a stick, in some public toilets. And yes, it could be rinsed and reused. Imagine someone has used the sponge and not washed it, and now it's your turn to use it. Suddenly, a tiny bacteria crawls out of it, looks directly at you, and says, "Hi," with the warmest smile ever. So here is the question. Asterisk, how do you think Romans dealt with the smell in these public toilets? Give me your answer in the comments below. Suddenly your bathroom at home feels like a 5-star hotel. So next time you complain that your toilet is uncomfortable, remember, at least you have a door. Because in ancient Rome, going to the bathroom wasn't exactly a private experience. It was basically a public meeting nobody wanted to attend. And if you want more bizarre facts about what everyday life was really like in ancient Rome, subscribe, because apparently we're going back to the Roman toilet.